This is a DeWalt 3/8 inch variable speed drill. Seems to run just fine, forward and reverse, but this is funky. Cord has been damaged and somebody has taped it up here. Also down here, there's another big wad of tape on the cord, and that feels kind of lumpy. So I want to fix this. This is a double insulated drill. What that means is there's no ground plug on here, but it is polarized. Double insulated refers to the fact that the way the body of this is built, it's done in such a way that if there was a short in this mechanism, it is not going to ground to me and shock me and injure me. The problem is when the cords get damaged outside of the housing of the drill, if this shorts, I can get grounded and I can get injured. So we want to correct this. The first thing I'm going to do is simply remove this electrical tape and see what's going on underneath here. All right. So the cord insulation there is split. You can see the black inner lead. That's not good. Let's check this one out. There's actually some blue painter's tape underneath here too. Oh yeah, this isn't good at all. So this cord was cut somehow. There's the bare copper wires. They just twisted them together and wrapped it with electrician's tape. So that is not a good repair. That is dangerous. Painter's tape, electrical tape just wrapped around there. That's not the way to fix a cord. Because this is damaged down here at this end and damaged at this end, I am going to purchase a whole new cord and insert it into the drill. I was able to get a new 8-foot cord for under $18, and it even came with a new strain relief gasket here. So I'm going to dismantle this. I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws. I like to do this kind of careful because sometimes things fall out. All right. Cord comes up, winds through a little retainer system there, and connects to the trigger. It looks like a stab connection. There we go. Just a little tug is what it needs. It looks like they tinned the leads a little before they stabbed them in there. And I got to put them in that order with the white lead to the back and the black lead to the front. Strip away the insulation. Get those warmed up, tinned. That looks good. Okay, there we go. Now I just have to get this all to sit back in place. There we go. That's a little tricky to get everything to sit back in there. This strain relief gasket or grommet, I don't know what you would call it, it's not sitting quite low enough. Let me compare it to the old one. You know, this is a bigger diameter. That's why the case won't squeeze down on there and close. So I'm going to remove just a little bit of the little retainer top portion, creating flats. There we go. There, see, so I've created a flat on each side so that will still clamp in there and maybe give me a little more room for this case to squeeze down on that. Yeah. Now that'll close up there. Okay. I'll start by putting that screw back in. These are old style slotted screws, so it's hard for an electric driver to work on them. Go to the old-fashioned method. Okay. Well, let me plug it in and see. Yeah, that works nice. Nice new cord, no damage. Drill works great. I now have a safe, functional drill.